Men and dogs stay overnight in a forest cabin. Then a snowstorm begins. Video by Bushcraft Improvisation. Man, that's one happy flying dog right there. Look at that dog. Isn't he beautiful? Wow. No, that's a happy flying dog. You know, I think this is like the perfect life. No internet, no hassle, you know? Just like off grid. I think you're gonna start a fire. Yeah, you're gonna start a fire. Wow, look at that. A man, his dog, in a cabin in the woods, away from the messed up world. Sounds like heaven. Wow. I'm not gonna lie, I like this video, honestly. Like, this is different. It's like pure ASMR, you know? You don't see no subtitle, no commentary. Well, just cinematic. It's very you know, appealing to watch. Very calm, you know. Wow. Wow, look at that dog. Like, having a dog with you is a must, yo. It's a must. Shout out to all the dogs caretaker out there. Wow. Like he sensed like an unwanted guest. Dogs are very smart. Like they can smell like a mile away, you know? So maybe there was someone like unwanted there. Wow. That dog is so adorable. What's that? Is that a steak? Looks like a steak. Look like steak. Wow. I'm not gonna lie, chat, like this is like the most satisfying video I've ever watched. Honestly. Man, I can't stop adoring that, like admire. It's so like, that dog is so adorable, man. Got some onions. Wow, it's all ASMR, chat. This video is just awesome. No subtitles, no commentary. I mean, besides mine. But this video is just like, I'm loving this video right here. It's a 10 out of 10. I think that's mushroom, right? Wow. Yeah, it is steak. Wow, you look so comfy. You look so comfy. You took over it. Oh, you're trying to share the bed. It's like, move over. Let me get a spot. Ah. That dog is so adorable. Oh, he's going in a sleeping bag. Okay. Wow. I would sleep in a cabin. I definitely would. You know? Just for, like, you know, experiment purposes. You know? I definitely would. That dog is so adorable, man. Not gonna lie though, I appreciate the cinematic shots. You know, like these type of content on YouTube shouldn't be free. You know what I mean? Because like it's so wow. Yeah, sometimes I watch some content on YouTube, I'm like, wow, is this for free? But these are the content that should be on YouTube. Okay, such a bouncy dog. Yeah, I appreciate these type of contents, you know. Like I said, this one is very different. You have no subtitles, no, just purely ASMR. And that's just good enough, to be honest. These are the type of video I appreciate, you know, just calm. Very calm, you know. What's that, chocolate? Is it chocolate? Oh, I don't know what that, I don't know what it is. And the thing is that it didn't turn around the wrapper so as to know, you know, what exactly it is. Well, it looks like hot chocolate, yeah. But he didn't turn around the wrapper, you know. I guess he's just trying to promote anything. Put some more wood in that bad boy. Yeah. Yeah, that's how you keep your cabin warm, you know? Now, what is that now? What's that? Is that rice? Is it? I guess it is. It's probably rice. I enjoy these type of off-grid content, you know, like self-sufficient. I enjoy it. It's all about survival, you know. Oh, that's some sausage in the rice, beans, looks like carrot or pumpkin. I don't know, I'm just saying stuff. But I want to see how it turns out though. Yeah, I knew it was rice. Yeah, it was rice. Okay. Eat up, doggy. Eat up. Oh man, he's enjoying his meal. Look at that dog. Like he's so adorable, man. Look. That's one of the cutest dogs I ever seen in a while. He's happy, he's happy. He's happy. I'm not gonna lie though, I think the dog really enhances the video, to be honest, you know. I think it was very clever, you know, for him to like put the dog in the video. Yeah. What is that? Is that like something for the birds? Like you're trying to feed the birds or something? I don't know what it is. If y'all know what it is, just comment, let me know. Wow, like this is so relaxing, so smoothing. the ASMR. Now, this was a great video. I enjoyed it, you know. Shout out to Bushcraft Improvisation for this video. W video, W.